Hello, it's Miss Kalina or Miss Hanky, and we're going to talk about pumpkins. What you see here are pumpkins. That's right, those yellow flowers are going to fall off and pumpkins will grow in its place. Pumpkins grow on vines, which are plants that have long stretch across the ground. So you can see the vines there, and that's a baby pumpkin. It's not orange, is it? It's green. Once they get bigger and bigger, they turn into the orange color we know, just like that. The farmer is harvesting the pumpkins by cutting them right off the vine and keeping their stem. Did you know pumpkins come in all sorts of shapes and sizes and even different colors? You can see a pumpkin here. It's still got dirt on it from being in the garden, and it's got some ribs. Those are the lines on the pumpkin, and the top is the stem. What do we do with pumpkins around this time but carve them? And that's what you're going to do today in your class, is carve a pumpkin. Now, I want you to think about how you're going to carve your pumpkin because we're going to do a science experiment with it. If you remember Rodeo Roundup, I made a pumpkin explode, and this time in your class I want you to think about how to mark up your pumpkin and have your teacher carve it so that you can have cool foam coming out. Do you want your foam to shoot out really far? Then you probably need to make, I don't know, smaller holes. Or if you want it to just ooze out of your pumpkin's mouth, make his mouth really big. Your teacher's going to mark it up the way that you want it, and then she's going to carve it. And we will do a science experiment together when you come back to school tomorrow. Here are a few pumpkins for inspiration, and also you can check out the cool science experiment I did at Rodeo Roundup.
Let's do this right. Let's go to. This I feel like Friday night.